right? And according to this we will work and demonstrate every day. And also one thing more, means today onwards, today onwards practice session 8:30 to 10:30. Got it? This is your practice session. And for your clarification, it is in night. I'll be share the link, right? And we come on live and then practice that problems, right? That designs. Okay. So according to your time, you will join from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30, right? For this week. But this work is fully for your self study. For which one? For coding, right? Every day I will give you assignment is here. You will practice it and then take out from here. And actually the live project is going at this time 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. Okay, there we will be practice the project, how actually is going on, means project in your real world, means in the sense you are joined the any organization, the how it's working. So this is better for you if you learn these things now, so it's make you comfortable in any organization and career growth will be higher, right? So please, this is your time 8:30 to 10:30. You practice it, you revision it in a programming language, then after you are able to swap to any company and you will be able to growth by yourself. After 7 days you will see your changes. Now you are in the 0 level, but after that definitely in the 7 days you are on the level 1, right? So this is your level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. So add yourself up to 10 level, right? Now your rating itself as a 0. After 7 days you will be able to rating itself, right? So not an issue. Without delay I'm going to start the today's agenda, right? What we will be learn, right? And how can we design our CSS part, means our web application with the help of HTML. We only give the content, means a skeleton or a structure, right? But now the time for the designing part, now the design for the designing part, right? So today is day one, right? Day 1, and I will take class, means the last class is 25 days, right? And if you want to see, then I'm giving you the that we will be going to learn. We show you. There are CA class here. Come to here. Look, day 13 is the last for the core CSS. Then after we will be shift in the advanced CSS. Day 14, day 15, day 14 to day 25 for your advanced CSS. Means when ओके बोलना चाहिए था ना कि स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रहा है. Yeah. So day 13. So this is for your in date of core CSS. And then after day 25 is the last for the CSS. Means after the day 14 you will be moving the advanced CSS. Means it's responsive, design, modern web application, this all thing. Right, from here to start. Right. Then after we will move to Bootstrap, then JavaScript and jQuery. This all things. Right. This all thing in the JavaScript. I will take the 35 class here. Right. In the JavaScript, I will take the 35 class. And then after we will close the topics. In the JavaScript, what we will learn, all the thing, syntax, right, switch, loop, right, all the things. Then after we will move to object, right, and then after advanced JS. In the advanced JS we learn the function, class, sync and synchronous and JS DOM, JS bomb and Ajax, right. So we will be learn these things slow, right. So now I am going to discuss what CSS, right. I hope you all learn whatever I taught in the HTML. You already learn that thing and you practice it as your need, right. So now I'm going to create new folder. That folder name web underscore dev, sorry, dev, right. And I want to access here. Yeah, this is your page. Here I will be create one folder. It's called as a day 1 0 1. Inside of this I will create here one file called as a index.html, right. And also I will create here one file, means file index.css, or we can say style.css. Here I was create two file. Why I was create here two file? Why I did, right? Why I did created a two files? So don't think on that. I'll be let explain the in other. Right. So first we are understand. So today is the day 4. Sorry, day 1. Okay. And now wait wait a minute. Okay, now all set. Okay. So first let me define the what is the CSS. Anyone know what is the CSS? Please, if you know, please respond. Are you there? Yeah. What is the full form of CSS? So the full form of CSS is cascading. What is the full form of CSS? Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Cascading style sheet, right? This is the full form of CSS, cascading style sheet. Why we use the CSS, right? For the styling purpose, right? And what is the file extension of CSS? The file extension is dot, I'll be taking the other color, dot CSS, right? So this is the normal overview of CSS, right? Before of this CSS, right? So many problems are be in the market. Means with the help of Java, I mean HTML, we are styling some pages. So this is the two difficulty for the developer, and also that look is not good for the means user, and it's not a user interface, right? So I explaining here कि after coming of CSS, which type of revolution is a start or begin, right? So after of approaching of CSS means the big problem was solved. First, we never to indent the content with the help of formatting tag, right? And we was create to describe the content of web page, right? Just like any web page, yeah. So I will write in the separate part, not in the Java, sorry, HTML, not in the HTML. Means if you see, if you going to see, here I am creating one part. This is the part, and I have a one h1, right? So is heading, is a heading, right? And I want to some font type, means paragraph. I writing a paragraph. Inside of paragraph I have given a load, right? And I want to bold this content or highlight this content. So we are manually writing here bold beta and copy this, control X, drop this and save it and go to there. See, this type of content we are getting. So responsiveness is the not here, right? So we are inspect this. So see, if you're going there, overlapping, not looking good, right? So not user friendly. Yeah. So this type of coming inside of HTML styles. So after that, the approach was changed for the styling. So there was in the market one style sheet, means styling part of document language, yeah, coming in the market. They are using the CSS, means wonderful of application, wonderful of designing are be coming with the help of CSS, right? So in the CSS, so this is the all about the CSS, and here one part is what for adding of a style, right? For adding of a style, I'm writing here comment and yeah, adding a style for the page, right? So I simply write here style, and then after I will target this, control C, and simply paste V and use here curly brackets inside of color red, right? BG color black, control S and C. How is that? Okay, you will approach this application, yeah, you will approach this application, or you will approach this application. Tell me that which one you will going to use, or before that, right? If I am giving you example with without CSS website, right? See, notice example. Hmm. Simply I copy this code, right? Come to here, I'll be show you. There are some issue, it's body part, and there is not body part is there. So what? Okay, not an issue. And come to here. See, this is your style page, means this is your one page. Are you interested to work here? Means home, CA, advanced, feature, about, and this is your some codings. So are you interested to work here or use here? Tell me that. Not, yeah, not we can't we use this one. We can't use this one. Why? Because this is the like a simple way, means not any styles is not any inline element, not a separation. But I'm show you, but I will show you the another thing with CSS. Right, come to here and take it anywhere. It's not here. Okay, okay. Don't worry, I'll be give you here. I can give you example here. Right, inspect and come to here. Right, some style is coming. Right, I want to body CSS in the header. Come to here and comment it all. It's giving you permission or not. Giving you permission. If it will be giving you permission, then no, it's not giving you permission. So I'll take another application. We will give the permission. This one. Okay, inspect. Some application is giving permission to modify the code. Yeah, look, are you use this application? Will you use this application, right? Or wait, copy it, then copy it, sorry, copy it, come to here, that's it. After this, or will you use this application? Which one you will going to use? Yeah. Means if you're going to use, so you will never go at this application. It's like a scammer, right? And if you're going to here, you will see the all style CSS, all the things are be all the things are be here, right? But this is the simple one only created in the HTML. So before of this CSS, the application was created in this one, right? For the wonderful look and for the best approaching, for the understanding, for the user friendly, the CSS give the help for that application. See, this is your application. Both of them have the millions of different set, and this is the better than the only HTML file CSS, right? So this is the our use of CSS. Understood? Okay. So come to here. Okay. So the second point is what? How to add CSS. Second point is what? How to add CSS. So we have a three ways to add CSS. Point one. First way is what? External CSS. Second one we have internal CSS, and third one is what we have inline CSS, right? Now I am going to define internal CSS, external CSS or inline CSS. It's not working. See, if I am enter here, oh, okay, so I want to here a style. It is not working. Wait, why is yeah. So, and this is your style sheet, and if you enter this type of style sheet, right? This is called as a internal CSS, right? Means copy it, come to here, paste it here. Internal CSS. This is called as internal CSS. Means if you are a if you creating your style in the heading, in the head tag, then this is called as a external called as a internal CSS, right? It's called as a internal CSS. Means if I am defining here, where is internal? Inside of head tag. So that CSS called as a internal CSS. And if my motherboard is not working fine now, okay, wait. And if I was defining the CSS of inside of tag here, style, inside I'm giving the busy color. Why is not working? I was right here, busy color, right? Any, so I will take here, simply save it and go and see. See, this is your background color, right? So this is called as what? This is called as a inline CSS. inline CSS, right? If I will create another file of CSS, if I am defining here what b tag, I'm taking here the b tag, copy and simply paste it here and writing here, and I'm giving a color and equal green. Simply save it and come to here, also save it, come to left side. You have seen here anything changes in the web page? Are you able to see any changes in the web page? Please unmute and please make a two-way communication, right? Okay, so what is the way to use external CSS? So we learn in the Java HTML, we learn what? Link tag. So link tag is what it will be doing. First write here comment, and best way to approach it CSS means here external CSS and write it, and inside of this, should close it and come to here, right? You put it means here start like that, start CSS and copy it and modify it in external CSS. Inside of this you pass your link tag. Link here, so many links are here: manifest, touch, atom, CSS, favicons, import, many things. So I need here only CSS, so simply write here CSS, and inside of href pass here the path of CSS file. So write here the point, then after slash, and here are the style, and control S, then after boom. See, you only taken the only b tag, right? So here you will see the different, right? So tell me, are you understand that? Okay. So we learn two things. What is the CSS? How to use the CSS, right? This two ways we are learn the CSS, right? Then after we can pass the multiple CSS, right? We can pass the multiple CSS. So yes, of course, we can pass the CSS. Let me give the example. Here, for this one, I'm already passed the CSS in the outside, right? This external also. So I want to, in the inner side, I give the style h1 from here style, and for p in the inline, right? So I want to style the same tag from the CSS, means external CSS. So I write here ch1, and I was gear here bg color, background color, right? In the background color I will write means whatever I want, means which one I want to blue. So okay, so tell me where so tell me which color for h1 heading tag, which color will be appear? Your option is, wait, what happened today for this one? So taking the so many errors. Yeah. Why is not working fine for 2? Okay, so which color will be for H1? I'll give you example. Oh, okay, sorry. So which color will be going to print here? What is the problem for this one? Yeah. So which color for the C1? Wait. No, which one color for the CSS? Here, alt one creating us some problems. I'm here giving the H1, right? So which color for the H1 is print, right? Blue color or what? I work as a manually. For blue color or oh, we have a one option here now. So why we using that? So for blue color or brown, brown is sorry black, or we have another option. Third one, blue, black, or in the external CSS we give here black, blue, right? Which color will be appeared here? Black or blue? Blue. Why? So here one thing is more here. Do you know precedency? Right? The one concept is called as a precedency. Means more priority. More priority. How it's work? How it's work? In the CSS, the more priority have, right? First, who will be execute? First inline, right? Sorry, external inline, not inline. First inline means if I am giving here color, if I am giving here color, see, I am giving here color, style. Oh, Hindi, perfect. Style, style, style. Then after I will paste here color. Oh, I am doing these things. Here it will. style, I set color or different with green. So come to here, see which color have the more precedency. Inline. I want to check only internal or inline. I want to check only internal or inline. Why is it doing that? Okay, I terminate today class, right? Tomorrow I will be discuss this all things. I think I have some issue.